Hey everyone, this is Denise from D's Crafts and More. I just want to share with you a quick unboxing. I received this beautiful mixed media canvas from a very good friend of mine, Taliesyn. She's an amazing crafter as well. Her and I have been friends for quite some time now, for over 2 years, and I think she is the best. And we became best friends, swap buddies. We're practically family now. Hi Taliesyn, I love you. Thank you so much for this beautiful, beautiful gift. It's amazing. So she sent me some goodies in this perfectly little gift bag, and I can't tell you how grateful I am. She's amazing. She always surprises me with the best things, and she knows I love planning as well, so I'm so grateful. She got me this Heidi Swap planner stamps, and can't wait to use them. Oh man, she's such an amazing woman. Taliesyn, you spoil me. She got me all these goodies for my birthday. My birthday was October 1st. And she knows that I love crafting and all kinds of things. So she got me these as well. Awesome. She's just awesome. I can't thank her enough. Tomorrow she receives my box of goodies. I can't wait for her to open it. Maybe she'll do an unboxing as well. Oh, this ripped. But yeah, look how cool is this. Awesome. And she got me some sticky notes. YOLO. Thank you so much, Taliesyn. This is so wonderful. Awesome. I can't wait to play with all these stuff. And she got me my paper clips. Oh, I love these colors, these little pastel colors. Awesome. And everything came inside this little gift bag that I can't tell you how much I love it. It's awesome. Thank you so much, Tali. And this is my box of, this is my bag of goodies that I have all over the place. I have so much stuff of craft supplies everywhere. And I have like 3 planners. So yeah, she just knows me and I appreciate her so much. Thank you, Taliesyn. Love you, girl. You're the best, ma. You're the bomb. Thank you. Sorry, I'm from New York, so my slang is a little off. But you know what I mean. She's the bomb. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my unboxing. I'm just like stoked with this. Like, I love this so much. I have to find somewhere to hang this gorgeous project. I just think she's so amazing. And she used so many different techniques to do this. I'm in love. Thank you, Tali. Bye, guys.